Kannadigas, which was looted by this 40% commission Sarkara. And I can say I never imagined that not only silver lamps of 963 silver lamps, but also 1.82 crore cash was also seized. Not only this, 37 lakh of freebies were also seized. Not only this, I am surprised that how low BJP and their ministers can fall. 45 lakh rupees of drugs. 45 lakh rupees of drugs was also seized from the minister's premise, from his factory. Till now, in Karnataka, 82 crore rupees worth in cash, 19.6 crore rupees of freebies, 56 crore rupees of liquor, 16 crore rupees of drugs, 73 crore rupees of gold, and 4.2 crore rupees of silver was already seized. Still 16 days to go in election. Total money seized by Election Commission till April 21st is 253 crore. And this is whose money? This is 6.5 crore Kannadigas money, which was now used in election. I would like to show you one news cutting from 2021. In this news cutting, one corrupt minister who is facing corruption charges is trying to promote another for chief minister. You can see this. In this news cutting, former minister K. Ishwarappa, who is also facing corruption charges, in public meeting in year 2021, he was telling that Mr. Nirani is going to become chief minister. Thus, for BJP, now chief minister full form is corrupt more. For BJP, CM means more corruption, corrupt more. In this regard, we had very small 3 specific questions. Number 1, we demand Election Commission should immediately disqualify Mr. Nirani to contest when not only silver, not only cash, not only freebies, but drugs are also getting seized from his premise, from his factory. We demand that immediately Mr. Murugesh Nirani's candidature should be immediately cancelled. He should not be allowed, he should be disqualified to contest this election. Number 2, the money which belongs to 6.5 crore Kannadigas and collected by 40% commission Sarkara is now used in the election process. Why ED? Why CBI? Why SFIO? Why DRI? Because drugs are also here. Why DRI? Why income tax are not taking cognizance of all these issues and start the investigation? Is ED, CBI doesn't know the flight connections from Delhi to Bangalore? If they are not aware, we are ready to book their flights also. We will let them know what was the flight connection from Delhi to Bangalore. So why they are not taking cognizance? Still election is 16 days ahead. Still now, till 21st of April, 253 crore rupees of gold, silver, alcohol, drugs, freebies, cash. I can never imagine that there is a drugs also from a sitting minister of BJP from his premise. The police is seizing the drugs, but still he is allowed to contest the election. He should be immediately disqualified. DRI, your office from Bombay, you are more nearer to Bangalore. Why don't you take cognizance of this and start investigation of all these things from whose premise the drugs are also confiscated? We want that for BJP, now CM means corrupt more. Corruption more is the full form of BJP, and that is indicated by this news of 2021, where one minister who is facing corruption charges is promoting the other super corrupt to be CM. Like, if they are all corrupt, the most corrupt, the corruption more is going to be CM. That is evident from this particular statement of Mr. Ishwarappa, which he gave in 2021.